All right, so here's the thing. We have another heat advisory in effect for tomorrow. We had one today. It was the hottest day of the year. Tomorrow looks to be equally as hot, if not a couple of degrees hotter for parts of the area. So dangerous heat is in store for us again tomorrow. Again, Metroplex and most of North Texas, heat index values up to 107. The forecast high tomorrow is 100 at DFW. That would be the first time this season. By the way, we hit 98 degrees this afternoon. That's the first time this year. If you go back in all of the summers and on record, it's very rare for us to go this deep into the summer and not hit 98. In fact, the last time we did it this late in the season was 2002. So it's been 23 years since we've had a North Texas summer where we've made it all the way to today without being at 98. It's pretty impressive. We go through the following 5 days. We are going to go back down for the weekend, then up into the upper 90s by the middle of next week. So we have a chance of rain this weekend. There's this very disorganized mess of rain and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast. That will introduce moisture into our area by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday. Now, the rain chances are low, but they're not zero. It's something. We'll take it. As we get into Friday afternoon and evening, maybe a sprinkle or a shower in southeastern portions of North Texas. Then on Saturday, we get into the afternoon. Watch this. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. And we get to 3. See how we have a scattering of rain, a couple rumbles of thunder, no severe weather, no flash flooding or anything like that, but some brief heavy downpours are possible. Those would all fizzle out by the time the sun sets. So you're looking at 7 here, and then after that, it's all gone. So the introduction of that tropical moisture, we see that mess near the Gulf Coast. That's what's going to bring us a chance of rain on Saturday, and an even lower chance on Sunday. And Saturday's chance is pretty low overall. 78 degrees tonight. Warm and muggy tomorrow, 100 degrees. Hot and humid. It'll feel like 107 in parts of North Texas. That's why we have the heat advisory. And as we mentioned at the top of the show, the WFAA weather alert day for tomorrow. That's why that's highlighted in red. We go through the 14-day forecast. We find lots of heat, but no real extreme heat. Yes, it's hot, but the normal high this time of the year is 97. So anything you see around 97 is quite honestly the norm. Anything below that, which you see several days there in the middle 90s, we'll consider that a win.